Thank you, Dr. Lakshmi. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. What a moment it is. I do have goosebumps even as I see so many of you seated here, and we have had a thumping response for this first ever AI healthcare conference in Yashoda Hospitals, and we have more than 1,200 registrations received in the last 1 week, and this is really a joyful moment for me. It's also a deep sense of responsibility that I carry to welcome each one of you for this conference, Artificial Intelligence in Healthcare. Right here in Hyderabad, a city which is becoming the global destination for health tech innovation. So we are conducting this largest conference of its kind, gathering not just people or ideas, but it's all about action. A convergence of brilliant minds today committed to one singular purpose. How can we transform healthcare through the power of AI and data-driven innovation? We are thrilled to share that the response has been amazing. And one thing that actually reflects on the energy, the urgency, and the optimism that surrounds this field. Everybody is super excited. So it's no longer futuristic AI, it is foundational, and it is here. So we are deeply honored to be joined today here by some of the best minds from the world. I'm grateful to the team at Google. Thank you, Dr. Michael Howell, for being here. Really appreciate your time and your presence here, because very short trip. You have made such an amazing trip just to be part of this event. Thank you, Chendu Thota. Please give them a big round of applause for the entire Google team. Of course, this event would not be possible without the support from various stakeholders, maybe IIIT. We have Professor PJN here. Thank you, sir, for your support and this partnership, which is not just for today, but the days ahead. And we have quite a few faculty, including Ramesh, Bapi sir, and quite a lot of them. So thank you so much for this partnership. And of course, we have Rich with us. We have ISB with us. So the presence of all these stalwarts from various fields just indicates that it is an interdisciplinary nature of work that we are doing, and together, coming together, we can solve the complex healthcare issues. In silos, we cannot solve these problems. So that is the message that we get from this. So without taking much of your time, I want to set the ball rolling. This one-day conference does answer some fundamental questions. How do we ensure safety and equity in AI-driven care? How do we build systems which supports clinicians and empower patients? How do we scale these solutions across diverse geographies of this country, not just for urban, but even for the rural India? How can we provide these services? So as a practicing cancer surgeon, I have witnessed how AI is transforming our practice. Just 13, 14 years back, when I adopted robotic surgery, people thought that robotics is a fancy term. It is more of a gimmick by corporates. But today, robotic surgery has become standard of care for most of the surgeries. And now with the AI integration, the smart scalpel is taking over, and we're giving best outcomes with precision to our patients. So we stand today at the intersection of empathy and innovation, and that's exactly where the future of healthcare must be built. Let this day be a catalyst of these great minds, intellectuals, thinkers, for new partnerships, bold ideas, and responsible innovation. Thank you once again for being here and for joining us in this important journey. Let's make this day a day of learning, sharing, and building a future of healthcare together. Let the conference begin. Thank you so much.